So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE Smart, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. Yes, I know it's been a month, man. A long month. I have missed y'all, but I'm back with another mod for the White Dragon. I'm gonna turn it over real quick. What do y'all see, man? Let me go and put it. It's upside down, but what does it say? What does it say? Icon Motorsports. Y'all can see there's a bumper right here. What could that mean? Let me mess it up. Yeah. Complete wide body kit for the White Dragon. Saved, I did it, I worked, and it's here. I waited like 3 weeks for this package. I got it from Icon Motorsports. And all I gotta do is get this baby painted. And I'm gonna be installing it. So stay tuned, y'all. This year is about to be crazy. So stay tuned. For real, stay tuned. Alright, JJLEE Squad, we are back. I unboxed some of it, so we all Gucci. But anyway, here we go. Here is the rear carbon diffuser. I'm gonna show you, go over this with y'all. Look at that. Look too good. We got the top and bottom grill for the front bumper, fog light covers, front fender flares, rear fender flares, freaking rear bumper. There's my dog. Front bumper. And then let me go ahead and go in here and show y'all the side skirts real quick. Might as well show them the full kit. But it was weird because I got the side skirts first. But here I go, full side skirts. So I got the full kit. The car will be getting wide body. Yes, I know I'm gonna have to cut it anyway. But y'all don't know is I already installed just the flares on my friend's car, like wide body fender flares on his car. But just stay tuned. I just gotta get this shit painted. And then I'm gonna be doing the install myself. I'm gonna try to show y'all of me doing the install. But really just stay tuned, honestly, bro. This is something that I really wanted to do. I didn't want to buy or trade in my car for a wide body scat when my car got a better package than the wide body scat to do. Plus it's a $6,000 option on top of the regular car price. And you might as well buy a 2015 Hellcat because that's how much the wide body scats are now. And it's just ridiculous. So why not buy the kit, get it painted, do the install yourself, and save money, honestly. But it's good to see y'all again, man. I just been chilling. Don't mind the hair. I'm trying something different. Braided up at the top, but the vision is coming to play. Plus I already got the wheels. They are 20 by 10. I'm just gonna get a 1-inch spacer, push them babies out perfectly to replicate the wide body wheels. So wheels aren't an issue this time, because you know I did flares on my orange Challenger and it looked like it was floating because I did not have the right wheels whatsoever. But second go around, got the Charger now, full wide body kit. It's going down. So stay tuned, tune into the channel, like, subscribe, favorite, and I will keep y'all updated. Peace.